Russian 500-kilogram unmanned aerial vehicles, Forpost-RU, attacked various targets of the Kiev regime formations in the Kursk border area. The Telegram channel, Iznanka, posted video footage of the UAVs in combat. Thus, in Bogdanovka and Kazakia Lopnia, 2 artillery guns deployed by the Ukrainian armed forces near houses were destroyed. In the first settlement, a temporary deployment point for drone operators was also hit. High accuracy of hits was ensured by the presence of optical electronic stations, allowing detection of the enemy at any time of day, at a considerable distance, as well as the use of small-sized corrected aviation bombs CAB-20, which have laser or satellite guidance. Their weight is 20 kilograms, of which 7 are the high-explosive warhead. Earlier, the fully Russified and locally produced Forpost-RU was demonstrated at the Autumn Strategic Exercises Zapad 2021 with CAB-20 guided bombs, developed by FSUE, Sneakum. The use of heavy adjustable bombs weighing up to half a ton is being practiced on the twin-engine Altius. The smallest in the nomenclature are the CAB-20 bombs. They weigh about 21 kilograms and carry 7 kilograms of explosives. Weapons with warheads weighing from 7 to 20 kilograms are capable of effectively hitting manpower, lightly armored vehicles and undefended structures. In the nearest future, Orion will receive these bombs with satellite and laser guidance. Forpost-RU is a Russian unmanned aerial vehicle, UCAV, developed by the Yekaterinburg-based Ural Civil Aviation Plant, Uralsky Zavod-Grazdynskoy Aviatsy, UZGA, under license from the Israeli company Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI. Israel is producing this unmanned aerial vehicle under the name Searcher Mk2. However, since 2016, Israel has refused to supply Russia with components and technological solutions for the production of Forpost-RU. The reason? Pressure from the United States. After 2016 and Israel's refusal to remain a major supplier, Moscow was forced to continue developing Forpost-RU, but only through local Russian-made components. The bomb is armed with a 7 kg He warhead and is designed to combat manpower and lightly armored targets. It was presented for the first time at the Army 2020 fair in Kubinka near Moscow. It is carried by Russian Orion and Forpost-RU drones, Israeli Searcher Mk2. The Orion drone can carry 6 CAB-20 bombs suspended on 2 BD-2U beams. The Forpost drone carries 2 bombs on single underwing suspensions. The development variant of the bomb is the KAB-20S version. The bomb is guided by a laser beam. There are reports of the use of satellite guidance in the thematic press, but no detailed information about this design is available. At the Army 2020 International Military Technical Forum, Kronstadt for the first time presented small-sized corrective bombs of the CAB-20 family, specially designed for use from unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. This is probably the smallest aviation-guided munition today. Military Technical Cooperation, Bastion, reported that at the International Military Technical Forum, IMTF, Army 2020, the Kronstadt Group for the first time presented aviation weapons, ASP, of its own design and a number of other developers. One of the ASP is the corrected aerial bomb KAB-20S. It was stated at the forum that this bomb was created with 2 options for a control system, satellite and laser. Accordingly, The ammunition was named KAB-20S and KAB-20L. On the plate with explanations, located next to these bombs, it was written that the corrected aerial bomb KAB-20 was created by the Federal State Unitary Enterprise, SNEACM. Kronstadt LLC reported that these prototypes were developed as part of the Ballistics 2 research project, with support from 189 air defense units of the RF Ministry of Defense. The practical use of the bomb was confirmed during the Zapad 2021 maneuvers. It was used in combat for the first time during the Syrian civil war against groups that smuggled Syrian oil from the Tarhan region to Turkey. During Russia's aggression against Ukraine, near the village of Wypovziv in Chernihiv Oblast, it was used to attack a Ukrainian anti-aircraft battery consisting of S-300P missiles. In February 2021, the Russian MOD released a video of cadets operating from the T-4 Tiaz airfield, some 185 kilometers from Russia's main Syrian base, Khmeimim. In the video, cadets carried 4 small bombs under its wing. It is difficult to determine their type, as the photos were deliberately blurred, but it is known from other sources that in Syria that cadets dropped 20 kilograms KAB-20 guided bombs. The bomb in the laser-guided KAB-20L and satellite-guided KAB-20S versions were created especially for UAVs by the Central Scientific and Research Institute of Chemistry and Mechanics in Moscow. By March 2022, Russian armed forces are reportedly using the Israeli-based Forpost-RU drone to launch airstrikes against Ukraine. Russia's defense ministry released a video that showed an armed Forpost-RU taking off from an unidentified airstrip. The footage later showed a Ukrainian multiple launch rocket system, MLRS, being destroyed by the UCAV.